Hello guys, today I'm going to discuss about the concepts about pointer industry. So what is our agenda? Pointer in C. Here means generally everyone contains the average knowledge in the pointers, but you should know means a pointer is not the small thing, and also pointer is not the things which you can understand in the one day or in the 1 week. Okay, means but what is the basic requirement about the pointer? So basic requirement is what you must have the basic knowledge about the C. What is the requirement, guys? Basic of C. Okay, so if you don't know the C language, so it is a waste of time. Okay, so first you must learn the basic understanding about the C, only then you can enter in this topic. So uh, first, what is the pointer? What is pointer? What is pointer? So see here, guys, in the simple way you can define this as pointer is nothing but a special variable. A special variable. What is the meaning of a special variable? Sense of a special variable here is that it is not like the normal variable. Okay, see here, what is normal variable, what is a special variable? As you know, normal variable contains normal data, but a special variable, such a special variable contains the address. Remember this one. Okay, only this is the difference. Okay, so normal variable contains the normal data, guys, like what in case of int, what it contains, what integer data. In case of char data type, it contains character data. In case of float data type, it contains a floating point data. In case of double, it contains also floating point data. But in case of pointer variable, such a special variable means it is always going to store the address. But again, one question, which address? So address of any variable means, so pointer contains address of any variable in the RAM. Remember this one. Okay, so this is the very basic understanding about the pointer. Now what is the complexity here? See here, in the first level it is fine, but when you study the future chapter, like array, like a string, like what structure in C, then this topic will be more complicated. Okay, so means what after understanding the basic concept about the pointer, you need to repeat the same thing in each and every future chapter. Okay, means you should go parallel with this one. So first, today I am going to discuss about the what a basic pointer. So what is our agenda here? Means what is pointer? It is clear, but what is our next agenda? Means how to declare pointer variable. How to declare pointer variable. Second one, how to assign the address address of normal variable into pointer variable. And last step, how to fetch the actual data held in normal variable. How to fetch the actual data held in normal variable using pointer. Okay, so remember these three things from the starting from the scratch level to the advanced level. These three things you have to cover. Okay. Okay, so first one, step one. So I am going to so we will discuss one by one. Okay, so remember this one. In all cases, whether you are learning the basic pointer, whether you will learn the pointer in the array, whether you will learn the pointer concept in the string, whether you will learn the pointer concept in the structure. Okay, so means you have to do only three things: how to declare pointer variable, how to assign address, and how to fetch the actual data held in the normal variable using the pointer variable. Okay, and one more things, but don't underestimate the pointer concepts. Okay, if you are very good in the pointer, strong in pointer, then you can understand the Linux system programming very easily. Okay, also you can understand what operating system design. Also you can understand what Linux device driver. Etc. So these are the scopes. Okay, so today just I am going to discuss the basic concept about this one. So very first thing, what is the step one? What is this one? Means declaring a pointer variable. So what is the syntax for this one? Remember, its syntax is data type and a static symbol and pointer variable name. So this is the syntax. For example, suppose I am taking what int star pn. Next one, I am taking what char star pc. Next I am taking float star what ps, p cell, etc. Next I am taking one more example, double star pt, like this, etc. So these are very important. Means what is the meaning of data type here? Okay, so very simple guys. If your pointer is going to point the normal integer data, you must use the int data type. If your pointer variable is going to point the character data, you must use the data type char. And if you are going to, your pointer is going to point the floating point, then you must use the float, etc. So this is the compulsory. Next, what is the next step, guys? What is the next step? Step 2. What is this one? Means assigning address into this pointer. So what is the syntax? Already you know how to get the address for any variable. You are familiar which operator is helping you, ampersand operator. So means what? Like you can use pointer variable equals what? Ampersand and your normal variable and b. So this is the syntax. So PV stands for pointer variable, whereas NP stands for normal variable. Here I am taking PV pointer variable and NP normal variable. Okay, so what is the example? For example, I am taking the above case. So e.g. So see here, I am going to hold the address, and you have to also assume I have already 4 types of normal variable. Suppose I have the N, I have the C, I have the shell, I have the D. What I am assuming means what? I have the N variable, and contains 10 integer variable. Okay. Also, what I have, what a C contains, suppose gender, male or female. So here M. I have the salary. Okay, shall contains, suppose 15,500 50 paisa. Okay, also I am taking what another, etc. I am taking what D contains something like this, 1 like this. Okay, assume means already on the top you have declared such thing. Okay, now what is our second step, guys? You have to assign the address of such normal variable, means address of N, address of C, address of shell, and address of D into the pointer variable which you declared on the top in the step 1. So how to do that? So like very simple, just take the pointer variable and what pn equals what? Ampersand n. Next one, guys, pc equals ampersand what is C. Next one, p shall equals ampersand shall. Next one, pd equals what? pd equals ampersand d. Okay, so step 2 I finished. What is the step 1? Declaration of the pointer variable. Okay, what is the step 2? Assigning the address of the normal data into the pointer variable. Now I'm going to discuss about the last step. Step what? Third. What is this one? This is actually hatching the actual data using pointer. So very simple. In the printf statement, means you have been using the normal variable name like what? N, C, shall, D. Okay, but now you don't have to use such previous things. Now here you have to use always the pointer variable. Okay, means you must perform any type of operation which you did previously using the pointer variable name. So how to do this one? Very simple, printf. But first let me discuss about that one. So again you have to use what is the syntax? Syntax is what? Asterisks and PV. This is the syntax. Now again question comes, what is see here, I have used the asterisk symbol in the step 1, I have used the asterisk symbol in the step 3. So first you should understand this one, means about asterisks. So first concentrate here. So see here, as you know, what from the previous, asterisk means what? Multiplication operator. Multiplication operator. Second, here what it is? Indirection operator. And third one, it is what? Value at this address operator. Okay, so symbol is same, asterisk, but meaning is different. Okay, so first one, you have been familiar about asterisk, that is the multiplication operator which is used to multiply to product. Okay, here second and third is used here. In the step 1 second is used, in the step 3 third is used. Okay, so remember, indirection operator and value at address operator. What is the purpose of this one, indirection operator? Guys, see here, what is the purpose of the above one? To multiply. But what is the purpose of this indirection operator? Means to tell the compiler that it is not normal variable, but a special variable, that is pointer. Remember this one. Okay, only the purpose of asterisk sign is this, just telling the compiler, otherwise compiler understand this is what the normal. Okay, next one, here meaning of the star sign is what? Means fetching the actual data, to fetch the actual data held in normal variable using pointer variable. Okay, so remember this one. Now again just recall the step 1 once again. This is what? This is nothing but what? Declaration of the pointer variable. Just use the star sign. Okay, it tells the compiler, means compiler understand that, means such p and pc, p shall, etc. These are not the normal variable. These are the special variable, that is the pointer variable. Means compiler understand, means in the future it is going to hold the address. Now what is the step 2, guys? Here step 2 means it is your duty, it is the responsibility of the programmer to assign the address of the normal variable into the above pointer variable which you declared on the top. Now at last, step 3, how to fetch. So this is the syntax, guys. So this is the syntax, star PV. So what is the, I am taking the example. So see here, printf value in n equals %d star, and here previously means you have been using what? N, but now it is waste to use the n because we are going to learn the pointer. So each and every operation, every work you should perform using the pointer. Okay, so forget this one. Don't use the normal variable. Only we should use the pointer value. So what is here? Guys, here not capital N, a small n. So here just use what? Pn. Again, see here. If you write this one, what is the meaning of this one? You won't get the actual data. You will get the address. Okay. So here you must use what? A star. So which operator this is? This is the value at this operator, means so it will take the normal data held at that address. Okay, in the same way, so for the remaining, don't worry, today is just a basic description about the pointer. A lot of things are there, okay, which must be clarified, okay, for getting the better understanding about the pointer. So okay, only 3 is sufficient. So here what, taking the one more. So first one clear. Now here what we should use, not pn but pc, a star pc. So what happens here, it will pass the actual data held at which address, at that address which PC holds. Okay, so what is this one? PCL, PCL, and what is the last one? PD. Okay, so very simple. Just remember these 3 things. Means from the starting to the advanced level, you must perform these 3 steps. Once again, step 1, how to declare the pointer variable. Step 2, how to assign the address into the pointer value, and step 3, how to has the actual data using the pointers. Okay, so guys, today just I covered the basic understanding about this one. So later I will what discuss each and every points, okay, in the more pleasant way. Okay, so I'm going to stop the topic here. If you encourage me, if this is useful for you, then I will be encouraged to design the further video on the pointers topic. Okay, and remember, I'm not going to teach you about the normal pointers, but I'm going to teach you what advanced level pointers, which you will feel after 2-3 sessions. Okay guys, thank you. Okay, please like and subscribe our channel, Hari Om Defensive Technology channel name. Okay, thank you.